First Alert Weather Team is on winter alert for the upcoming winter storm. Potentially some heavy snow bands could have snowfall rates up to several inches an hour.
We in Arlington, Virginia today. Yep, that's me. Probably need the most right now is some hot coffee. Breakfast burrito actually looks very nice, but it's all wrapped around bacon, pork, and I don't eat none of that. That's a nice color. Time be flying like crazy, yo. I left them this morning at 11 and it's now like 3:30. Where did the time go? But I'm still out here in McLean and I'm about to go check this Yemenis coffee shop again and spend time there with my friend who I haven't seen in minutes. But it's not down here yet, so we gonna check this thrift store and see what we can find in it. $19.20 Kodak. That's a pretty cool vintage store. They got some pretty nice stuff in there, I'm not even gonna lie, but super expensive for my liking. Probably worth the price because lots of unique stuff. But yeah, it's pretty cool out in Vienna. If you're looking for vintage store where you can find random rare pieces, check them out. My friend loves Yemenis coffee. Oh, really? Yeah. I'm trying to have us leave at 10. They're gonna calm down.
Mayor Muriel Bowser has declared a state of emergency ahead of this weekend's winter storm.
We're going to get a lot of snow, and it's going to be very cold next week, which means the snow sticks around.
Holy, it's snowing hard as hell. My goodness. Should I be out here? I don't know, but we'll see. That's a beast right there, Hulk. Only me and my men's out here. Everybody's scared. Damn. Yeah, we're gonna take a quick snow spin to DC, maybe take some photos and get back. This is so beautiful, man. I'm actually glad I left the house to come check this out. People are out here sliding on the snow. It's tough, man. I love it.
-1.5.
It's a nice bike. Wow. Yes, sir. But yeah, heading to the next stop. We're going to the what's the name of this place? The Capitol building. Yeah, take some photos on there and try to go to Georgetown. It's a one-way, and this guy is coming the opposite way. I know for sure I'm on the right way because my GPS is telling me that. Actually, turn me to turn. Okay, it's making it turn perfect because I'm going right in there. Biggest fear right now actually is if I lock my keys in my car. That's why I keep holding the door. Because yeah, it's not going to be fun. Yo, I'm just out here enjoying the snow. I'm not even feeling cold anymore. Crazy.
I watched the sun come up today. I wish that you'd been there to see it, but you were only half awake. And
my little simple luxury now is really, you know, wake up in the morning, play some nice music, make coffee, light an incense, and you know, just relax and flip to a coffee table book. Just proper way for me to begin my day. Coffee book flipping through currently is what's the name of this? Ultimate Wonder Plants. So as you can see, I have a good amount of plants around my apartment, and yeah, looking for like inspirations of like how to decorate my place with plants, right? And I think it looks pretty cool so far. Haven't gone crazy with it as some of the inspirations I'm seeing on this book. And irony actually is I don't know nothing about plants really. Some of these plants I have, I don't even know the names of them, but I like them. They look nice. Yeah, luckily some of them are very easy maintenance. They don't require me doing that much really, which is great for me. And also the music I'm listening to currently is Locked Down by Anderson .Paak. It's a pretty cool record. It's a single album. I believe this one came around the lockdown period when we had the George Floyd protest going on at the time as well. Or at least it's about that period, and it's a beautiful song. And their record also has like a pretty cool design. So yeah, it's a good listening as well. Yeah, reason why I turned on the camera today actually is I wanted to speak about a book I'm currently reading, which is The Goal Giver. I've read the book before, not read, but audiobook. Yeah, listened to the audiobook a couple times, and I just wanted to like get in the habit of reminding myself, you know, the habit of giving. Because I mean, author's argument is the more you give, the more you get. And yeah, so trying to do that more often, especially for my YouTube channel as well. Like I find myself having lots of things laying around my apartment, and sometimes I feel like I will find need for these things, or it could be things I'm trying to sell as well, but don't sell that fast, and over time it just end up being a bunch of stuff around my place, right? So instead of me just having them laying around, might as well, like, you know, try to help someone online that's watching my videos, and you know, whoever have needs for these items maybe can put them in a good use. So yeah, definitely stay tuned, because you might be getting a couple stuff, and I will speak briefly on, you know, how you can get the chance to win any of these things I will be giving away. Yeah, it's a pretty good book, so I would encourage anyone to get into it, or like get a copy of it, listen to the audiobook, because it's very useful. Yeah, since we talked briefly about music on this video, I will be giving away some vinyl record. These are a couple that I have laying around that I don't think I have need for anymore. So this Michael Bubbles, and I believe this a jazz Christmas album. I know we've passed Christmas period now, but somebody may still enjoy these records. And John Legend, his Christmas album as well. And I also have Guardians of the Galaxy. This one actually is a pretty cool one, because it comes in this nice red record. The Michael Bubble ones as well as a red vinyl record. The John Legend one, it's a regular black one, but it does have this pretty cool sleeves though inside of them. So these will be going to 3 random people that leave a comment on this video. Give it a thumbs up, and also you have to at least yeah, be a subscriber, you know. And also, like, if you share the video, that will be super helpful to me as well, so other people can also get the chance to you know, get some of these giveaways. Eventually, really what I wanted to do is create like some sort of web page where I would list like all the items that I'm giving away, and viewers would get like the option to select something from that list that they want, and I would you know, send it off to them. But yeah, these are the records I'm giving away for now, and thanks again for sticking to the end of this video. But I need to finish my coffee because it's still very cold out here. Alexa, what's the weather right now?
In Alexandria, it's 19 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can look for lots of wind with a high of 26 degrees and a low of 11 degrees.
Yeah, very cold.